Hello, I'm back and I'm here with a really important video today, and the reason why I might look a bit dishevelled, a bit like I've just woken up. I did just wake up about 40 minutes ago, 45 minutes ago now. I feel like my voice hasn't transitioned to that of being someone who's fully awake, so I'm sorry for that, but there is a reason why I'm doing this without being fully prepared, and that is because I have things to do today. The main thing being packaging up everyone's orders and sending them out, but I really wanted to do this before I do that. So this arrived, and this is the package that I'm going to be opening. And oh my god, it's been on the floor. This is the package I'm going to be opening, and this contains 50 copies of the first ever issue of Big Pink Pages magazine. I'm really nervous actually for two reasons, and I will explain why. First is I'm worried there's going to be like a printing error and it's going to be the same on all 50 copies because they're all identical. So if there's one mistake and then it'll be on like all of them, that scares me. And then my other like massive fear is almost like imposter syndrome, because I've already sold a couple of copies of these. The magazine doesn't exist yet until now, so I'm worried that people are going to open it and be like disappointed. Basically, it's my first ever magazine, so I had a huge list of ideas and I didn't get to do absolutely everything I wanted to do. So this magazine is only 24 pages. One thing going forward when I do like issue 2, which I'm already starting to plan, is more pages than 24 pages. That's one thing I want to do. I gave myself a deadline to get this out by January. It is January 28th, so I was cutting it a bit fine. Let's open it. I've got my scissors. These are terrible scissors, by the way, so I'm sorry if this isn't like the regular quality of unboxings that you're used to. My first impression actually when I got the package is that it's a bit small for 50 copies, so I'm guessing because it's A5 there's like 25 here and 25 here, I guess. This is just like contributing to my fear that people are going to be disappointed with it. That is not satisfying. This is going to irritate me. I'm going to have to rip this off. It's too early. It's too early for manual labour. So I've now had a box inside a box inside a bag. I'm hoping this will be the final box. 10% off my next order. Expires in 2 days. I don't think I can. Yeah. Oh, I'm nervous. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, okay. Wow. Oh my god, I love it. Oh my god. I look crazy. Oh my god, I'm so happy with it, like. So this is the cover. That's me. I think I've got the cover page like printed on card instead of paper, so it should feel like a nice quality. So obviously this is the rainbow issue, so a lot of the design on the inside is rainbow themed. So for example, I don't want to show all the pages because I don't want to spoil it, but for example, I've done a lookbook of 4 looks to do with rainbows, and this is like the starting page for that. So as you can see, like this is the main kind of graphic design that's consistent throughout the whole magazine, and that's me. Another page I will show you is this page. So these are content creators who I've featured in this issue, and I was really happy to do this page because obviously with COVID all of the content I've had to produce from home, and that means I can't like do a shoot with my friends. Can't get anyone really other than my own household, and my mum and my dad aren't really, you know, very kawaii, so that's why I'm on the cover this time. My main thing I'm really determined to do is get a different person on the cover for issue 2. I want this to be like the first and last time I'm on the cover of my magazine. Not just because I think it's kind of boring to see the same face over and over again. One thing I think the first issue is lacking is diversity, just for the reasons I've said. Like, I can't really, all the lookbook is all me, all, you know, it's just very me. My problem is, not only is there like a lack of diversity in race, in gender, in size, there's a lack of diversity in white blonde people. Issue 2 is going to be £3.50 as well, even though it's going to be a longer magazine with more content, with more people, with more everything I wanted to do in this magazine, but, you know, even better. So I'm so happy with it. And like, look at the back cover as well, because it's the rainbow issue. I wanted to put my rainbow socks on it. It says, with love, bigpinkboutique.com. It says, with love, bigpinkboutique.com. You won't want to miss issue 2. More fashion, more cuteness, coming late April. That's a promise. More fashion, more cuteness. I hope you'll love it, and I'm so excited for you guys to receive it. And issue 2 is going to be incredible, I've decided. This is such a good starting point for me, because now I know the layout works, I know what works, what doesn't, what looks good in print, what doesn't. Going forward, like, what I need to change. This is everything, but I'm genuinely so proud of myself for getting this together. So yay! If you want to order a copy of Big Pink Pages, head to bigpinkboutique.com. I'm selling the issues standalone, so you can buy just this on its own. I'm selling this with an exclusive pair of rainbow socks. I'll put a picture here. So that's the Big Pink Pages rainbow bundle instead of just the issue. Or you can buy a subscription for the year. So you save money by doing this because you'll only pay shipping once. So you're paying for all 4 issues plus 1 go of shipping. So it means you'll get this one when you order your subscription, and then when issue 2 comes out in April, I'll send it to you and you won't have to pay for shipping because you've bought the subscription package. I'm also putting a free copy in all orders over £10 on Big Pink Boutique. If you buy a t-shirt or a jumper or like enough pairs of socks to get over the £10 limit, I put in a free copy of this just for you. And if you spend £15, you get a mask as well. There's so much fashion advice, there's tips, tricks, there's pictures, there's text, there's even illustrations. My favourite illustration I did for this. My favourite illustration I did is this Rina Sawayama illustration. Yeah, we've even got music recommendations in here, so definitely please get your copy. And please, if you do get one, send me a picture of you with it. I cannot believe I'm sending this out to people, it's crazy, but yeah, I just cannot believe this. Like, whew. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm gonna go. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself, stay safe, wear a mask, wash your hands, stay away from people if you can. Have a lovely day, and I'll see you soon.